so we watched the video on this reaction, and now we're gonna react to it. It's natural birth. Okay, put it right here. Move your. Oh wait.
There's lots of words.
Yeah, lots of words right now.
I decided to give birth at a
Creek. I fell in love with a few minutes. Drive down the road. The water is pristine, pure, and the most amazing fresh water I have ever tasted in my life. Every time I drink it, that pretty much was the sign that others thought it tasted like fresh water. Although the water is cooler than pool birth, was lukewarm. I'll preview the birth of beautiful water birth.
It's 22
However,
seconds.
the day
22 minutes
before the day of the night in labor, unusually cool labor. Okay, it's long words.
Around 6 a.m.
Here, let's skip a little of this. This is too slow.
Oh,
Alright, I think it's done.
Alright, okay.
Don't look at the camera. Okay.
Oh my god.
I guess stop looking at the camera.
Okay, is it a girl?
There's a girl.
She's ready to give birth.
Okay.
Under a blanket.
She's underneath a blanket. She has like a blanket on. Ew.
It's kind of gross. Here, I'll do this.
Alright, there you go.
It's like an
Alright,
orgasm.
no one move. No, she's not doing it. I think it's those one things when a girl's about to give birth.
Money.
Huh?
Money.
No. It's like
What is she doing?
Like, it's a sign. Okay, skip a little more.
No?
No, let's watch it. She just smiled.
Okay, there's a... What the?
There's a naked baby.
With the naked boy.
I think it's a natural family.
Why is there a naked?
Oh my god.
A little weirder.
Sit down. The camera can
No
see.
photos.
Oh, the family is natural. They're ugly though.
The puppy
Alright.
is watching.
She's in the tub.
Ew.
Look at the naked baby. He's just freaking walking naked.
Alright. What is she doing?
It's a little freaking cone
Turn this
nipples.
down a little.
The guy was right. He has cone nipples.
Dude!
I can't see.
Yeah, you can!
Here, bend it down a little more.
Oh,
Oh my
what the-
god.
What's wrong
She
with
does
your
have rocket
nipples?
nipples.
That was right.
Wait, I don't get it. Why isn't she in the creek?
She's in the bathtub. Remember the video that we saw?
I thought she was gonna be in the creek.
She's like,
She's in,
underneath
remember the
water.
guy he made the video?
Did she take the water from the creek or something?
No, this is the bathtub. Remember you said she was in the bathtub? She was feeling really comfortable in the bathtub. Too comfortable. Too comfortable.
Oh yeah, okay.
We're at that part.
Look at her.
Alright. She's in the bathtub.
Oh, natural guy.
God!
Oh, why is he taking pictures?
There's pee-pee out, dude.
Well,
Can't
this is
even
a
see it.
natural family.
It's all black because there's
No, wait,
hair.
that might not be it. That might just be his boxers.
No,
it's-
he's naked.
He's naked. I can
That's
see the
gross.
fat.
I don't even want to see.
Oh,
Okay, now he has boxers on.
Ew, but the little
Oh,
kid's still
the
naked.
kid's still naked.
Just twist.
It's taking forever.
What's wrong with this girl?
Dude!
Dude, I can move your knees.
Oh!
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, rocket nipples.
You know what that reminds me of? Garfield.
My,
Oh,
is that remember mild long tits?
Alright,
That looks like her.
she's still going.
Well, I've never seen a woman give birth. Let's just hope this isn't bad.
She's fat.
Abby.
Why did it have to be like a fat girl?
Oh my god. Dude, skip a little.
No,
we're
we're
good.
gonna
It's
watch
just
it
her.
all. We're gonna watch it all.
What if my phone dies? Here, I'll plug it into the charger. Let me grab my
Wait,
charger.
wait, it's about to be a funny part.
Funny, I don't
That's
think
mine.
this.
Oh wait, that's mine.
Ew.
Ew,
She's chubby.
he's fat.
We'll cut some of this out. Let me just plug this in.
Ew, what is she doing? She's like doing yoga. Point it at it. Point it at it.
No, it's not. On YouTube, you can't see that.
I don't care.
If we put this on YouTube, this.
But it's already on YouTube, so.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
know, but
that's copyright.
Yeah.
So you can't do it.
Okay,
So you can't even point it on
the tree
it?
canopy.
Like,
the temperature was
point it?
warm and I feel pushy. We quickly started in the warm down to the creek. Just under 2 hours later,
I'm too scared.
at 10:50,
I'm nervous.
I gave birth.
Oh, it's.
Oh,
what's
she
wrong
is
with
in the creek.
family?
Alright, alright.
Okay, the kids are naked.
Nah, the girls.
Ew.
No,
the
the
little
girl.
babies
Yeah, there's
naked.
little girls, but they're not naked. But the little boys.
Ew.
It,
Yeah, that kid has like a 7 meter.
It's taking forever.
Centimeter Peter.
She's not even in the cold water yet.
Oh, look at her belly button. It's like popped out. Ew.
Ew.
That thing's about to explode.
She's an Audi. Kid's down.
Time
Oh,
passed.
she has hair.
Bush.
Oh, what a gross. Oh.
Oh, look at that little kid. Oh, she's walking.
Oh, it doesn't.
So
Isn't
gross.
this the one where like milk comes
Oh
out of
my
it or
God.
something like that?
Yeah, he's saying. There's a dad. He's
Is she
chunky.
breastfeeding?
No, yeah.
No, she's He's like 4.
He's like,
Oh my God.
oh.
Oh.
It looks like an alien belly.
Ew. Wait, what's gonna happen?
She's like crabbing.
It's like a little turn pop.
Okay, let's watch the video.
We gotta watch this one. Oh, what the
Ah.
fly? Get out of your fly. Stop. Ew, you spit on my hand.
Ew.
It's on the
Yeah,
screen.
yeah.
We're talking about fly. Whoa, did you see the
Whoa,
water?
look at the water. What was that? Oh, wind.
Yeah, that was cool.
So guys, this is really intense. This is giving me a weird
She
video.
gonna puke out her butt.
No, the guy that reviewed this before said that they're water or milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, what's his name?
I don't know. I really don't
We'll
know.
give names. This is good. In the comments below.
Ew.
Ew, she's
it's all-
just standing there like
They're
nothing.
clearly natural.
There's your butt cheeks.
You know what it looks like?
Ew.
You know what it looks like? It looks like Bob from that weird movie.
You guys are watching this together. Ugh.
Looks like one of those aliens from The Watch.
Oh.
What does it look like? It looks like a freaking cartoon character.
I was oh. She's doing some yoga positions. She's like,
She's a frog.
she's doing this face.
She's a
She's doing a
frog.
frog.
She's a
Woo.
frog.
Doing a frog at the bed.
Alright, okay guys. Hopefully this gets better. Hey, you can see the little hairs.
Oh, those are long.
floating.
Those aren't little.
Skip.
Go past.
Okay,
Now.
how far are we?
Oh, pretty
oh,
far.
we're pretty far. We're like 8 minutes in.
Guys, hopefully this happens fast. We're probably gonna puke. Alright? So far it's been nasty.
Ew.
This was really big.
It's taking
Why
forever.
can't you just have your baby? The baby's gonna die on the rocks. Look at him.
Yeah, she's not even. Oh my
Oh,
god.
Did you see them
Her
big
boobs
wings?
just moved a little bit. Yeah, it was like
It's like a
wiggle,
foot
wiggle.
long.
Wiggle, wiggle.
It was like
wiggle.
a have you seen those clackers? Like when you clack them? Like the last clack, it looked like that. It was like, and then it made that clack, and it was like,
Ew, look at
what is this called? Okay, so it's birth in nature, natural birth. So you guys gotta watch this. Oh, so then you're hurting my back.
What's
Doesn't
gonna
the
happen?
guy see,
Get up.
like, there's
What's gonna? Ew. What?